Hey there, my friends! Welcome to the Lil Herbie series animated show. I am Mrs. Get Right. Today, we're going to talk about responsible decision making. What is responsible decision making? Responsible decision making is the ability to make positive and constructive decisions on how to behave. Responsible decision making sometimes means making the right decisions even when it's not easy for you to do. You want to be able to practice responsible decision making because that will keep you out of a lot of trouble. Do you make decisions based on what your friends say or think? Do you do what your parents told you not to do? Do you care about what happens to you when you do something wrong? If you do, then check out Lil Herbie's tips on how to make better decisions. When you find yourself doing something that you know is not right because your friend said so or is doing it, then you need to find you some new friends. Always listen to your parents and do what they tell you to do. Learn to care about yourself enough to do what is right so you won't get into trouble. And as always, remember that nobody is perfect and we all have challenges. But self-love is the best love. Make sure you follow, like, and subscribe to our channel to keep up with all the Lil Herbie series social emotional learning tips. Thank you, kids, for tuning in. And I hope you enjoyed Lil Herbie's tips on how to make responsible decisions and start applying it to your daily activities. See you next time.